Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to swap faces in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to prepare your images, find the face swap tool inside Canva, and generate a clean, believable swap with just a few clicks. Whether you're looking to create fun social media content, promotional images, or quirky product mockups for your Shopify store, face swaps are a great way to add some creativity to your designs. Start by opening your project in Canva. Make sure the images you want to use are ready. Inside this project, you'll need two images, the original photo, which is the image you want to change, and the photo containing the face you want to place into that original. For best results, pick photos where the faces are clear, well lit, and facing a similar direction. If either face is heavily tilted, covered by hair or hands, or very low resolution, the swap may not look natural. Preparing your images here simply means confirming they're visible in your project so you can select them when prompted. Clear, high-quality images will help ensure a seamless and professional result, so take some time to select the right ones. Next, look to the left sidebar and click on Apps. If your sidebar is collapsed, just expand it so you can see the options in the search bar. Within Apps, type Face Swap. Open the Face Swap app when it appears. This tool will guide you through picking the two images it needs. You'll first be prompted to choose the original image, the base photo where the new face will appear. Select that photo, then click Use Selected Image to confirm your choice. Take a quick moment to double-check that it's the correct base photo before moving on. This step ensures that you're not swapping faces in the wrong image, which could save you some time in the editing process. Now, you'll choose the second image, which contains the face you want to swap into the original. Select that image and click Use Selected Image. Aim for a face that's well lit with a similar angle and expression to the original, as this helps the tool produce a more realistic merge. The better the alignment between the two faces, the more natural the final result will look. For example, if you're swapping faces for a fun promotional post, try to use faces with similar expressions, both smiling for example, as mismatched expressions can make the swap feel unnatural. With both images selected, click Swap Faces. The app will begin processing. This can take a little time, depending on your internet connection and the size of the images, so keep the tab open and let it finish. You'll see a progress indicator while it works. The processing time may vary, but once the app has done its magic, the new face will appear seamlessly integrated into your original image. Don't rush this step. Let the tool finish for the best outcome. When processing is done, your swapped image will appear in your project. Take a moment to look it over. If it doesn't look quite right, it usually helps to pick photos with clearer, forward-facing subjects and minimal obstructions, or to try images with lighting that matches more closely. Remember, lighting plays a huge role in how natural the face swap will appear, especially when blending shadows and highlights between the two faces. If something seems off, don't hesitate to try swapping again with a different image or adjusting the positioning slightly. And that's it! Open your project, prepare your two images, go to Apps, search for Face Swap, select your original image, select the face image, then hit Swap Faces and wait for the result. It's a quick and fun way to create unique and attention-grabbing visuals for your designs. Use this tool responsibly and with permission from anyone featured. Face swaps can be a fun way to experiment with different looks or create humorous designs, but always make sure you're respecting privacy and copyright rules. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating your face swaps in Canva.